One of the ways to make money as a side hustle on Amazon in 2025 is through Amazon KDP and Amazon Merch on Demand. Both allow you to sell products without holding inventory, making them attractive options for beginners. But which one is the better choice for you? In today's video, we will compare Amazon KDP versus Amazon Merch in terms of ease of entry, profitability, competition, and more. Let's get started. Amazon offers two popular print-on-demand platforms, Amazon Merch and Amazon KDP. With Amazon Merch, you simply upload your artwork, choose a product type and color, and write a product description. Once your product is live on Amazon, customers can purchase it, and Amazon takes care of production, shipping, and customer service, all at no upfront cost to you. Similarly with Amazon KDP, you upload your manuscript and cover, select a book format and pricing, and publish your book. When a customer buys it, Amazon prints and ships the book on demand. In this video, I will be focusing on selling low content and medium content books on Amazon KDP, not high content books like novels. Low content books include things like notebooks, planners, journals, and logbooks, while medium content books include coloring books and activity books. Essentially, these are books that don't require a lot of written content, so anyone can create and publish them with the right tools and ideas. Ease of entry. Getting started with Amazon Merch on Demand isn't instant. You must first apply for an account. Amazon manually reviews applications and approval isn't guaranteed. This process can take weeks or even months, meaning you can't start selling right away. When filling out the additional information section of your Amazon Merch application, you only have around 500 characters to make an impression, so make every word count. First, mention any experience you have with print on demand. If you have sold on other platforms, even recently, highlight that. It shows Amazon that you understand the business. Next, talk about any audience you already have, whether on social media or within a community. Lastly, reassure Amazon that you are professional, follow their terms, and respect copyright laws. In contrast, anyone can sign up for Amazon KDP and start publishing books immediately. There's no approval process. Just create an Amazon account, log into KDP, and upload your book. Once submitted, your book can go live within 24 to 72 hours. So if you are looking for a fast and easy way to get started with selling, Amazon KDP is definitely the better choice. You can jump right in and start publishing books without any approval process. On the other hand, with Merch, you will have to wait for approval before you can list your designs, which could take a while. Tier system and submission limits. New accounts on Amazon Merch begin at Tier 10, meaning you can have a total of 10 published designs. The number of products you can add to your designs each day depends on your tier level, which can be tracked on the dashboard of the Merch portal. The daily publishing limit represents the maximum number of new products you can submit each day, and it resets at midnight Pacific time. As your account progresses and meets certain milestones, you will move up the higher tiers, which include Tier 25, 100, 500, 1000, and beyond. Amazon KDP doesn't use a tier system but does have a title creation limits to ensure a positive customer experience. Officially, you are restricted in how many titles you can create at once and within a specific period. Unofficially, many sellers report being able to upload up to 3 books per day without issues. Now, Amazon KDP is more flexible, allowing you to upload books freely with only an unofficial limit of 3 per day. Amazon Merch, however, has a tier system starting with 10 designs, and you must make sales to unlock more slots. Profitability. When it comes to earnings, let's break it down. For Amazon Merch, a typical t-shirt is priced between $15.99 and $19.99. On average, you will earn between $2 to $5 per sale. For example, if you price your t-shirt at $15.99, you make about $1.93 per sale. And at $19.99, your royalty could be around $4.89. The key here is volume. Selling more designs that resonate with customers increases your potential earnings. Now, for Amazon KDP and low content books, prices usually range from $5.99 to $9.99. Your royalty depends on printing costs, which vary by marketplace, page count, ink type, and trim size. For example, if you price a 100-page 8.5 by 11-inch book at $5.99, you earn around 75 cents per sale, while at $9.99, your royalty could be around $3.15. As for earnings, selling a t-shirt on Merch could earn you anywhere from $2 to $5 per sale, depending on the price and production costs. Meanwhile, a low content book on Amazon KDP might earn you about $1 to $3 per sale. Both platforms are profitable, but if you are looking to make a full-time income, you will need to sell a significant volume of either t-shirts or books to replace your 9 to 6 job. Royalty payment cycles. Amazon Merch pays royalties on a monthly cycle, typically around 30 days after the end of the calendar month in which the product was shipped. For example, sales from April will be paid at the end of May, provided your earnings meet the minimum threshold. Amazon KDP pays royalties approximately 60 days after the end of the month in which the sale was reported and 90 days for expanded distribution. For instance, earnings from January sales will be paid at the end of March, provided the minimum payment threshold is met. Return policy. With Merch by Amazon, if a customer returns a product, such as a t-shirt, Amazon will process the return and refunds. However, the good news is that your royalty is deducted from your account, meaning you don't pay any extra fees, but your earnings from that sale are adjusted accordingly. You will see the reduction in your earnings when the return happens. For Amazon KDP paperback or hardcover books, returns don't directly impact the publisher's royalties. When a physical book is returned, it's kept in a warehouse for future orders, and no new royalty is generated when it's used to fulfill a subsequent order. So, for both platforms, returns will impact your earnings, but in different ways. In both Amazon KDP and Amazon Merch, high return rates can impact your account safety. So, maintaining quality and minimizing returns is crucial. Product variety. Amazon Merch offers a great variety of products for creators, expanding beyond traditional clothing options like t-shirts and hoodies. You can also list and sell items such as phone cases, pop sockets, pillows, and even tumblers, which were added this year. This wide range of product options provides sellers with the opportunity to target different customer preferences and diversify their offerings for various niches. KDP primarily focuses on print books, offering paperback, hardcover, and ebook options. However, it doesn't currently allow for other types of products like spiral-bound notebooks or other formats outside of books. While the options are more limited in terms of product types compared to Merch, KDP does allow for unlimited possibilities within the low-content book category. You can create unique interior files for notebooks, planners, journals, and other low-content books, offering a lot of flexibility in terms of design and content. Competition. When it comes to competition, the AI-generated content landscape plays a big role on both platforms, but in different ways. Amazon Merch currently has less regulation around AI-generated designs, making it easier for creators to leverage these tools and scale their products quickly. This opens the door to potentially higher competition in terms of sheer volume and variety of designs, especially as more sellers take advantage of AI's capabilities. On the other hand, KDP began requiring information about AI usage last year. However, before these rules were put in place, many AI-generated low-content books, especially in the coloring book niches, had already saturated the market. Currently, some users are hesitant to upload AI-generated books due to fears of account closures, which may contribute to a decrease in the number of books being uploaded, along with the impact of upload limits and AI usage guidelines. Despite this, competition continues to rise each year as more creators enter the space and as more AI-generated or AI-assisted content becomes available. In conclusion, both Amazon Merch and KDP offer unique opportunities with their own advantages. KDP provides a faster and easier way to start publishing, while Merch offers a wider range of products to sell but with tier-based restrictions. Both let you access Amazon's massive traffic, giving you the chance to reach millions of potential customers, which you won't find with any other print-on-demand site for free. They can both be profitable, but success depends on your strategy and the effort you put into creating quality designs or books. So choose the one that aligns with your goals and start building your online business today. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos about Amazon KDP and Merch. See you soon.